Welcome back to Kallamotto, everyone. Today, we are looking at a massive shakeup in the world of cross-country rally racing. ZXMOTO is officially making its move, and they are not playing games. To build a solid foundation, they have officially partnered with Joyride Race Service to act as their factory team. Joyride brings top-tier rally logistics, mechanical support, and strategic expertise to the table. And to pilot their new machine, they've signed Austrian rally star Tobias Ebster. This is the rider who dominated the grueling original bimodal class in 2024 and then shocked the world by finishing 9th overall as a privateer in the 2025 Dakar Rally. The combination of Zhang Shui's vision, Joyride's technical support, and Ebster's raw talent makes this a very serious operation. So, what is the game plan? Their roadmap is clear and aggressive. The newly formed squad is heading straight to the Rallye du Maroc this September. This event will serve as their ultimate testing ground, a chance to gather real-world desert data, dial in the suspension, and get the team in sync. All of this preparation points to one singular, massive target. Taking on the factory giants at the Dakar Rally in January 2027. And now, let's talk about the weapon they are bringing to the fight. This is the all-new ZXMOTO 450 Rally, built purely from the ground up for the demands of Rally Raid. This is not just a modified enduro bike. It pushes out 60 horsepower from a highly tuned DOHC single-cylinder engine featuring titanium valves. But the real magic is the weight. The engineering team managed to get the dry weight down to an unbelievable 128 kilograms. And that gorgeous carbon fiber rally tower and fairing setup, that actually comes standard from the factory. ZXMOTO is even releasing two variants, an uncompromised racing version for the pros and a fully street-legal €5 plus compliant recreational version for everyday adventure riders. Will ZXMOTO and Tobias Ebster have what it takes to conquer Dakar in 2027? Let me know your predictions down in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to Kallamotto for more automotive updates, and I'll see you in the next video.